Hey guys, we're here at Siriwattana Market. I drove down to get some lunch and look what I have, a GoPro. So I figured I'd test it out just for the family, just to check some of the functions on it, see what they're all about. But here's the motorbike. This beaut. I'm just gonna walk around the market. There's a food market here and there's a prepared food market as well, so I'm just gonna walk around and take some video of the regular market here first. I've given you guys a lot of photos in the past, but video will do it more justice. So here you have like a hardware section, locks, keychains. This is a pretty good market. I was at this market back in 2018. So many fruits in Thailand. It's a great thing about Thailand. Fresh fruit, fresh juices, cheap prices. Ooh, roasted bananas. Sawadee krap. So here's all the vegetables. Look at it, it's amazing, dude. Picked within like probably the last day or so. Everything. It's endless. I'll just make a quick swipe through here. I'm gonna try a time lapse or a hyperlapse actually. So let's test that out right now. We're back. That was a quick time lapse, or they call it on this camera, they call it a time warp, because it slows down and speeds up. If you slow down, the fast forward or the fast mode slows down. If you speed up, the fast mode speeds up. So tested that out. We'll see how that works out. Desserts. I only covered about half the market when I walked through there, not even. So this place is huge. I'm not gonna video the whole thing. It's endless. Like right here, we're gonna buy one of my favorite snacks, which is tua tum. Tua tum 40 baht. 40 ครับคุณมากครับ
ทำไมพูดไทยเก่งจังเลยทำไมพูดไทยได้
ไม่
แฟนคนไทย
ไม่ได้ภาษาไทยนิดหน่อย
แค่นิดหน่อย
นิดหน่อยนิดหน่อย 40 baht, 40 baht. It's like $1.25.
ร้านลูกชิ้นทอดป้าปุ๋ยที่ไหนเขาจะที่ดินเนาะ
That was kind of a quick brush through. Over here is more of the restaurant section. So I'm gonna go over and see what looks good for lunch. Kway Tiao is one of my favorite dishes, so I'm gonna try that out. I'll show it to you real quick. Nothing in depth, but it's just rice noodles and a beef broth, and this one or pork broth, and I think this one happens to have blood in it because it's Kway Tiao Nam Tok, which is my favorite one. Usually they give you a side of some vegetables, and this is the best part, the condiments. The Nam Som, which is vinegar and jalapenos. The pickled chilies and vinegar. Sugar, and my favorite, crushed red pepper, pig home. This is mine right here. This is my bowl. Noodles and pork. Raw. Nam gai, nam mu,
น้ำหมู
nam mu. They weren't my noodles. Best thing about this market is they have a fresh salad bar. Very hard to find in Thailand. Baht is about $3.10, $3.20. And your dressings. Unfortunately, most of the dressings here are all going to be sweet. I love sweet things. So normally I just get some vinegar, some fish sauce, and here's your topping.